Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize sales strategies with American Airlines, full guide step by step clearly. To optimize sales strategies with American Airlines, begin by understanding their target market. Research demographics to identify key customer segments. Analyze travel trends to tailor offerings that meet their needs. Next, review American Airlines marketing materials and digital presence. Evaluate the effectiveness of their messaging and branding. Identify potential gaps in their current sales strategies. Develop a competitive analysis to understand the market landscape. Assess the strengths and weaknesses of other airlines. Gather data on industry best practices to inform your approach. Now, create tailored sales strategies that align with American Airlines strengths. Focus on promoting loyalty programs to incentivize repeat business. Leverage partnerships with hotels and car rental services to provide comprehensive travel packages. Utilize social media and online platforms for targeted advertising campaigns. Implement customer feedback mechanisms to gather insights on satisfaction. Train sales teams to articulate value propositions effectively. Next, establish key performance indicators to measure success. Monitor sales metrics regularly for insights into performance. Adjust strategies based on data analysis to improve results. Foster collaborations with travel agents to broaden reach. Promote exclusive deals or promotions to attract new customers. Engage with existing customers through personalized communication. Finally, ensure ongoing assessment and iteration of sales strategies. Stay informed about market changes to adapt quickly. Emphasize customer service excellence to build brand loyalty. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize sales strategies with American Airlines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.